Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, October 9, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's long meeting. And you?
I'm okay. This coffee machine is my best friend in the morning. It wakes me up fast.
Yes, I need this coffee too. Yesterday was busy with project updates.
Tell me about it. Sales calls never stop. Hey, did you catch the news this week? The Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 0.25%.
Yes, I saw that. It was in the New York Times. They say it's the first cut this year to help the job market.
Right. Lower rates mean banks lend money cheaper. That's good for my sales team. Customers might buy more now.
True. As a project manager, I think it helps with funding new projects. Companies can borrow without high costs.
Exactly. But some people complain. They say it could make inflation worse. Prices go up for everything.
I worry about that too. Our office supplies might cost more. What do you think it means for us?
For sales, it's a win. Easier deals. But yeah, if prices rise, clients get picky.
We need to watch the economy closely. It affects all our work.
Hey, speaking of money, have you heard about that crypto scam in Cambridge?
Oh yes. The Boston Globe reported it. The superintendent finalist lost $750,000 on a crypto scam. Then he sued his bank.
Wow, $750,000? That's crazy. He thought it was a safe investment, but it was fake.
It's sad. The school committee knew about it but didn't tell everyone. Now the search for a new leader is in trouble.
People chase quick money with crypto, but scams are everywhere online. I stick to my savings account.
Smart choice. Crypto sounds exciting, but it's risky. Many lose everything.
Imagine losing that much. It could ruin your life. Good he sued the bank, though.
Yes, banks should protect us better. The story shows why we need education on online money.
Totally. In the office, we talk about budgets. No room for scams here.
Right? It makes me think about our team's finances. We must be careful.
Hey, another big news. The judge is ruling on international students.
I read that too. In the Boston Globe. The judge said the government can't target students for pro-Palestinian views.
Yeah, it's about free speech. Students from other countries felt discriminated against.
It's important. Education should be open to all ideas, not punish opinions.
Our company has international workers. This ruling helps diversity in the office.
Exactly. It promotes fairness. If we silence views, it hurts teamwork.
I agree. Those students just want to learn and work here. It's America, right?
Yes, the ruling sets a good example. No bias based on politics.
Makes me glad our boss values all opinions in meetings.
Me too. It creates a better work environment.
Anyway, enough world news. How's your project going?
It's okay. We have a deadline next week. Busy days ahead.
I have 3 client calls today. Fingers crossed for good deals.
Good luck. With the rate cut, maybe they sign faster.
Hope so. Want to grab lunch later? Talk more?
Sure, if I'm not in a meeting. Sounds fun.
Great. This coffee break is the best part of the day.
Yes, it starts everything right.
See you around, Alex. Have a productive day.
You too, David. Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.